it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our September 13th, 2025 Zoom class. With our Zoom classes, there is a die requirement, so in this case 4 dies from our latest release: Arch Pop-Up, Party Balloons, Movie Night Charms, and Rainbow Add-ons. For the first card, we will combine that Arch Pop-Up along with the Party Balloons and the Rainbow Add-ons to make this beautiful You Brighten My Day kind of rainbow-inspired Thinking of You card. The pattern papers for September come from Uniquely Creative, a company from Australia. For our second card, we're still sticking with that Arch Pop-Up, but this time we're going to do something fun. We're going to take the film strip die and we're going to modify it to be able to go up and over the arch. I think that's going to be a fun technique for future cards as well, especially if you were to fill it with photos. That would make it really a personalized card. But for this one, it's going to be kind of a movie-inspired, you deserve a standing ovation, lights, camera, celebrate, happy birthday card. If you are new to our Zoom class program, let me explain a little bit how it works. So the required dies are required, and if you don't already own any of them, then your best value is going to be to bundle them with your paper extras and instructions. If you already own one or more of the required dies, you always have the option to get your paper extra and instructions kit without the dies, but just to be crystal clear, you must have the dies to participate in this class. And that is because when your kit arrives, it's going to have kind of those bulk papers. And so it still needs to be prepped into a class kit. That's what those required dies are for. Now your kit is not going to have printed instructions. Those come by email, and it's 10 days-ish before class. So for this class, it's going to be about September the 3rd. You will receive an email from the store where you purchased your kit. And in that email will be the very detailed PDF instructions for preparing your kit, a prep work video where you can just prepare along with me. There will be a die guide, and there will be the information for logging into the Zoom. Now we will record the Zoom class, so if you can't make it on class day, that recording will be sent out to the students after class. We do not make Zoom recordings public, even after all the kits have sold out. So if you want in on this class, you definitely want to purchase a kit. And let me tell you how you're going to find out where to buy one. You're going to go to our website, KarenBurniston.com. You're going to click on the Events tab and then Current Events. Scroll down until you see this class. You'll find a list of stores that are making kits. We will also sell a limited number of kits on our website. Those will show up in our Kits and Classes area when they are ready. Looking forward to seeing all our regular students and hopefully some new ones too. Thanks.